Oh, hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about the very strange history of a very odd member of the percussion family, the typewriter. The typewriter was invented as a percussion instrument sometime in the irrelevant past and was, unsurprisingly, something of a flop. Like most percussion instruments, it had a limited range of tones and sounds, and there was only ever one major composition written for it, a piece ingeniously named the Typewriter. Nowadays there are very few professional groups that specialise in this instrument, and the only one that I could actually find was one called the Boston Typewriter Orchestra. The videos that they produce really are something. The typewriter, like most percussionists themselves, had limited financial success and soon found that they became the target of another group of people, office workers. For some strange reason, office workers believed that they could actually take this percussion instrument and put it to another purpose. This was a very strange circumstance because normally percussionists are reluctant to have any form of innovation in anything that touches their lives. But instead, percussionists took this change in their stride, even to the point where some percussionists took up typing professionally as a way to hide the fact from their family and friends that they were actually percussionists. Unfortunately, the success of the typewriter as a piece of office equipment curtailed the potential that the typewriter had as a musical instrument. As technology came into our lives, it brought electricity to the typewriter, and percussionists themselves started to turn against their own instrument, condemning it to a life of productivity and financial success, unlike most percussionists.